RAG ML flow. Let's understand RAG ML flow step by step. In RAG ML flow, before going to RAG ML flow, let's go to the vector search. In the vector search, as I told you that the five steps are there: data embedding, vector store, query embedding, and similar calculation. And fifth is the return result. Same way, only few things are different. RAG ML flow works. The steps are raw data. Like if you have a document and if you have a PDF, if you have a website, these are the raw data. First, what it will do in RAG ML flow, we clean the data and split into the chunk. As I told you, what is the chunk? I explained what is the chunk. Chunk can be the text, chunk can be image, chunk can be PDF, chunk can be a split document as well. So split into a chunk. This is the second step. Third one is embedding the model. Convert the chunk into the dense vector. Once chunking is done, then we convert into the vectors, and then we store that chunks which are converted into vector is stored into database. Means vector is stored in vector database. Once it is stored in the vector database, we use to fetching it. Means querying the embedding and compare and store the vectors. During the retrieval, top case similar chunk are fetched. And once top case similar chunks are fetched, then LLM comes in picture and LLM pick the query and retrieve the context to generate the grounded response. Once the proper data come as a response, post processing means this is the optional thing. They're like formatting, summarization, these works. Otherwise, once LLM will give the response, this is the steps are means RGML flow step is completed. But after that, this is the post processing step also remaining, which is the optional and which what it does, it works for the formatting, summarization. RAG evaluation matrix. In RAG evaluation matrix is used for the automatic matrix. In this faithfulness, how well the answer is grounded in the retrieval context. Answer relevance, how well answer is aligned with the query. Context precision, proportion of the retrieved context that are the relevant. Context recall, how much the relevant info was retrieved. Answer correctness, that is again optional. If answer matched known correct answer. Now come to the point, compound AI system. What is the compound AI system? Compound AI system is the multiple coordinate AI compound like agent, tool, LLM, memory, and retriever working together to solve a task. Now, if you are a simple person who is using an AI, so what you think only you write the query and get the response. But no, behind this getting the response means once you query and get the response, in between lots of things work behind. What the steps works is the agent, tool, LLM, memory, and retriever. All these work together, then you get the answer. So what exactly agent, what exactly tool, what LLM, and what memory and retriever? We will talk all the things step by step. But here, if someone is asking to you what is the compound AI system, so compound AI system, which is the multiple coordinate of the AI component, and it's work together to solve the task. It's like to the orchestrating multiple AI agent or services, each with the narrow focus for to form a general intelligence system. Components LLM, large language model. Large language model is used to perform language understanding, reasoning, and planning. Tool interface. What is tool interface? Tool interface is used to access external tools, search, calculator, and API. Memory module. Memory module is used to store long-term and short-term information. Retriever, RAG. This is used to fetch the context from the external knowledge base. Planner. Planner is used to break down tasks into the subtasks or steps. Agent or subsystem. It is specialized module with the distinct skill or task. Orchestrator or controller that is used to manage the execution of the flow interaction between the components.